gingerbread house.
I just need to finish this road of Oh no, we're out of Twizzlers. And Milanos! We should probably order some. Hi, is this Pepperidge Farm?
Hello, yes, this is Pepperidge Farm. I'm busy with the CEO of Twizzlers. How may I help you?
We need Twizzlers and Milanos now!
Our machines are kind of broken, so...
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, I know. Astro Machine Works!
Years ago, Astro Machine Works became employee owned, which means that we all own part of the company. And when it keeps people motivated, it holds people accountable. It definitely brings a sense of teamwork.
So the best part about working here at Astro is you never stop learning. Parts are not repetitive, so you're always learning something new every day.
CNC machinist here at Astro. So I use certain metalworking tools called inserts. They're made out of a metal called carbide, and they have the ability to cut. It's all done on a computer. It's all programmed with numbers and using geometry and such to make the part.
At Astro, we use a CAD system called SolidWorks to do 3D modeling, and we make things from scratch, from nothing, full just parts up to full machines. So it's a pretty interesting process that we go through with that.
One thing a middle schooler would relate to that we build here at Astro Machine is the extruder heads that extrude the yummy candy Twizzlers.
That was a bust. Who could that be? I'll check.
Hi, did you ask for Twizzlers and Milanos?
Yeah?
Turns out, our machines work now thanks to
Astro Machine Works! Reverse engineering saves the day.
When can we have them?
We'll send them over ASAP.
Cool.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing. Go visit their website at www.astromachineworks.com.